Good afternoon, myself Harshada Desle. I am discuss about aromatic hydrocarbons of the subject inorganic and organic chemistry. Introduction to aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are that it is uh, it is the nucleus of benzene or benzene-like structures, and it can be obeys Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. IUPAC nomenclature of these monosubstituted aromatic compounds: toluene, phenol, aniline, benzoic acid, benzaldehyde, anisole, benzene sulfonic acid, acetophenone, styrene. Look at these structures. Both structures are presence of benzene ring. Aromatic compound nomenclature. We can use benzene as a parent and the alkyl substituent as a substituent. Ethylbenzene, chlorobenzene, aminobenzene, nitrobenzene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Ortho meta para position is considered for common name system or trivial name systems. This is 1, 2, 1, 2 dibromobenzene, 1, 3 tribromobenzene. If consider common name system, bromobenzene, bromobenzene. This is meta dibromobenzene and orthodibromobenzene. Preparation of benzenes. Benzenes can be prepared by passing phenol vapors over heated zinc dust. It is a reducing agent and formation of benzene, and the zinc oxide paste can be formed. This can be separated by fractional distillation. Decarboxylation means CO3 group can be removed. D means remove. This is a sodium carboxylate plus in presence of base, in presence of lime, it reacts, it gives benzene. By sodium carbonate is removed. Benzene can be also formed by using 3 molecules of ethane or acetylene in presence of red hot tube. At 873 Kelvin, we get directly benzene. From sulfonic acid, it undergoes base in presence of water, formation of sodium sulfonate. It is intermediate. It further undergoes base, formation of sodium ion. Then protonation, the phenol can be formed. From phenol, in presence of zinc, can be reduced to benzene. Benzene undergoes nitration in presence of HNO3 as well as H2SO4, formation of nitrobenzene. Halogenation of benzene. Halogenation can be undergoes in presence of bromination in presence of ferrous tribromide, gives bromobenzene. Or simply chlorination. Chlorination can be done in presence of UV light. We get this type of chlorobenzenes. Sulfonation, it under in presence of H2SO4, it is a reversible process. We get sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonate. Friedel-Crafts reactions. There is 2 types of reaction: Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Only reactant, this reagent is different. For alkylation, alkyl halide can be used. Acylation, acetyl halide can be used. Benzene is same. For starting material, benzene reacts with alkyl halide, methyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. This is a Lewis acid catalyst. Aluminum chloride get directly methyl benzene or toluene. Byproduct is HCl. Friedel-Crafts acylation, benzene can be reacts with acetyl chloride CaCOCl in presence of similar catalyst AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. Formation of, simply this is COCH group binded with directly benzene. Side chain oxidation of reactions. Simply this benzene, methyl benzene or toluene undergoes chemophore. This is the oxidizing agent formation of directly COOH. Directly COOH. Addition of COOH. No reaction. Thank you.